So you are listening to the Music and Culture Podcast with me, Mandla Gingirikani. If you're new to the channel, please do the right thing. Subscribe, like, comment, share, whatever makes sense for you. Just do it. Yeah, so there are three things about Shebeshkt since he's been released from hospital. There are three things we need to talk about. Is his bookings and his songs and also about his late baby. So we'll start with bookings as he posted on his Instagram that he's now ready for bookings. He says bookings are now open, and then he puts all his details there. Bookings at shebeshkt.com. I'm already suspecting that whenever Shebeshkt will be invited, let's say his first gig, for example, probably there'll be a stampede because right now there's just a huge interest on Shebeshkt, and everybody would want to see Shebeshkt for the first time after his release from hospital. So whatever gig he's going to get right now is going to be a full house. Number two is that he posted something about his songs that he's releasing two songs. He says he's releasing two songs. They're actually already out. Number one is Gibeli Moto. That's where he's with Makwa SA and Harry Kane, but then he's featuring Lim Crazy on the song. Yes, I suspect this will be a Mapiano beat, probably something infused with his genre. The other song is he's with Mohetwa, Zoli White Smoke. You know, the only thing I realize about Shebeshkt, maybe it's something I can add, is to say I like his rhymes. Like the way he does his flows, guys. The guy is unique, is different. I know when I've been listening to his songs, I can see that he doesn't change this. He does the same flow, but then it's so nice because he always sort of regenerate the flow on every song. So every song sounds fresh, even though it's using the same kind of flows. But it's interesting. I really like it because it's unique. It's the first time I hear someone who sort of raps like this. So kudos to Shebeshkt for his new release. Probably these are going to be bangers. All the time is Shebeshkt. I think I'm a fan, guys. I think I'm just becoming to be a fan of these things. Yeah. So lastly, Shebeshkt posted for the first time since his release from hospital. Well, I'm quoting. She might not be with me physically, but I know unalina spiritually. Ki my angel, untadile my daughter, my life. And then he puts the crying emojis there. Yeah, you know, it must be difficult for Shebeshkt right now, even for him to even take gigs, to sort of try to get back to normal, because, you know, life has to continue, but it must be difficult, guys. It must be difficult. Okay, that's all I had, guys. Salute.